I'm not a musician, but I actually know how to play this Irish flute or Irish whistle instead. Looks like a flute, so you want to blow through here and then put your fingers around it. And what I want to say, even if you're a beginner, you don't need to be an expert to play. It has actually instructions and it's very easy to use. This is metal brass. One thing that I want to say is all you have to do, like, it takes like 5 to 6 minutes to play and play something Irish and nice. So this is proof that the whistle actually sounds good and is the advertisement is in the flute in the Irish whistle is actually very good. And even my child, I'm actually teaching my child how to play, and even it's easy for him to grab the idea on how to do it.